My name is Miss Brenner, and I hope you are all doing well and staying happy and healthy. I want to welcome you to ninth grade English class. I am looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you on an individual level and working together as a community. So for English for ninth grade, it supports the Common Core standards of English and aids students in their mastery of literary concepts. This is a 2-semester course. It's filled with projects and activities that will boost a student's critical thinking habits, improve collaborative participation, grow creativity, and develop communication skills through writing and discussions related to readings within the genres of fiction and nonfiction literature. So just to address two basic questions I often hear, yes, we do read a large amount of material, and yes, we do write a large portion for assignments. So please know that this is English class and we love to write and read in this course. As far as things that we will be reading, some of those include Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare, To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. We do an assortment of short stories, poems, articles, and speeches, and we do look at a couple films and other forms of media in order to support our reading. Assignments and grading. Class materials and assignments will be linked and available on Schoology. I would say almost 100% of the materials that we use in class can be found in a digital form on Schoology. So if for any reason you will be absent or unavailable for an extended period of time, all of the books and the materials will be linked in a digital format in our Schoology page, which you'll see in the class tour and in other portions of our course materials. A final exam will be administered at the end of the course, which is worth 15% of the final grade. Late work is eligible for half credit till 5 school days after assigned due dates. That is in alignment with the school handbook. Letter grades will be assigned in accordance with the Mannheim Central High School grading policy. Please feel free to email me with any questions, either through Schoology or to Brenner, BRENNERS at mannheimcentral.org. That can be found in the banner. If you should ever need to email me, there's a direct link in our classroom banner, which I'll show you in just a moment. In this course, you'll be expanding vocabulary through the context of literary readings, applying critical thinking and verbal communication skills within the learning community, and comparing original compositions at all stages of the writing process. As far as materials needed for our daily use, you'll need pencil, class notes, electronic devices, so please make sure that you bring your laptops, that they are charged. I do have some outlets throughout the classroom with extension cords, but please be aware that there is not always a guarantee that you will have an outlet right next to you, so please charge your laptops the night before. And then, of course, an enthusiasm to learn. We love learning in this classroom. So student expectations within the classroom, you'll see this in other videos as well, but we're going to follow all class rules. There's a behavioral code system. You'll see that in another video. Be responsible for your own work and engage in class discussions and readings. As far as who I am, you'll see this in some other videos as well, but I am Miss Brenner, and I grew up in Lidditz, Pennsylvania, which is about 10 minutes away from the high school. I graduated from Millersville University with my bachelor's degree in secondary education. In my free time, I enjoy hiking, kayaking, and other outdoor activities. My family has 3 fur babies. They do not live with me. They live with my parents. Their names are Bert, Stewie, and Leonard, and you'll see pictures of that at another time. Please feel free to ask me any questions about our classroom and the learning environment. I would be happy to show you pictures of my cats, my friends, my significant other. He would say that he is quite lovely. So as far as our classroom, this is at the top a brand new banner that is different than the one that is in the classroom tour. I apologize for that. I changed it and so it looks different. You will be able to see our Mannheim School District website is linked, so you can click on this and it'll take you right to the website. Clever is linked as well. You can email your teacher, who is me, directly using this link. My office hours are found here, which is on Wednesdays from 2 to 3 p.m. Please be aware that that is subject to change based off of whatever schedule we're on. 2-hour delays, things happen. please send me an email before you say that you're coming to my office hours, because the honest truth is I don't have a classroom in the afternoons at this point in time because of the construction, and I can't always guarantee that I'm going to be in one place to meet you. So I do have a Zoom link for my office hours as well that can be found here. But once again, there's never a guarantee that I will be in the same location twice. As far as checking your email, you can do that with this link right here. Tech support, if something should ever happen with Schoology or you can't find your email, Google disappears, who knows? But tech can help you hopefully with that. Classroom frequently asked questions. There is nothing located here at this moment, but within this next week, I'm sure there will be plenty of questions that you guys have for me that I'm sure are shared throughout our class, and they will be addressed here. And then our class calendar is going to be linked here after the first week. All right, now let's talk a little bit about bathroom passes. This year we have gotten rid of the electronic app that we use for bathroom passes, so we are going to be using a Google Doc, which can be found here. And in that Google Doc, you'll fill out your first name, your last name, the destination that you are going to, the time that you are leaving, and then when you come back, you put in the time that you returned. Pretty simple. Alrighty. New this year, we have PLT time, which is personal learning time. During that time, we are going to be doing an assortment of things. It's a 15-minute period. And during that time, I'll meet with you guys individually so that way I get to know you better. We can talk about your reading, your grades, what you enjoy, what you dislike, things of those nature. And it will, every day, be different students that I'm talking with. During that time, while I'm meeting with students, you will be completing a checklist of different assignments, including checking your grades, looking for missed assignments, looking for the comments that I leave on your work, completing silent reading, which takes us into ARC. So for silent reading, we should be completing 30 minutes every day. The school initiative for the district is that students should be silently reading for 30 minutes a day. And that means that I want to support that as much as possible in our class. We, at this point in time, are making sure that we are reading in print. I do realize that due to the construction, we do not always have books readily available to us. However, I do have a pretty good selection of books in the classroom. I'd say I have accumulated a good solid 50 books. Some of them are my personal reading books that I want to share with you, and others are provided by the school. However, since I only have 50 books, there might not be something that personally interests you. So what I do ask is that within the first week, you bring something in for yourself if you cannot find anything in my classroom that meets your personal interests. That is a paper option. So we are not doing audiobooks, we are not doing podcasts, we are not doing electronic books on Sora. We are going to do paper books. So if you cannot find anything in my classroom, please bring something in for yourself from home. Or let me know what interests you. I might have something in my personal collection at home that I would like to share with you. We then log our silent reading in our silent reading logs at the top of the Schoology page. I broke it apart into weeks so that way we can keep track of it together. With the silent reading initiative that is for the district, you are also going to be silent reading in your fourth block class for approximately 20 minutes. So let's say we read together for 15 minutes in my class, and then you read for 20 minutes in your fourth block class. You can log all of that silent reading right here in this silent reading log. We aim for 60 steps of 15 minutes throughout the weeks that are listed. So weeks 1 through 5, you should complete 60 steps, and we track them here. Sorry, I'm checking my checklist of things to make sure that I cover with you. Alrighty, summer reading reflection. I am looking forward to hearing what you read over the summer. We are going to complete a reflection. It's going to be a couple questions. Each question is going to be approximately 150 to 200 word response. And then you are going to be sharing that with the other students in the class. So please be aware, whatever you write as your response for your summer reading, you'll be sharing with other students and having a conversation about it. And that is how we are going to address summer reading for our class. That is everything that I have to say in this welcome video at this time. And I am really looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.